Okay, so the language out of 2.4 I need to give you is this idea of a linear equation in one variable. Specifically, you need to know this to do problem 1. So I want to tease apart what it means to be a linear equation in one variable. This is, I promise, not hard despite all the big words. This piece means what?
1x.
Yeah, there's one variable. I'm not even going to write anything for this because it's obvious. You all good with that? It doesn't matter what the letter is, but there can be one kind of letter-y thing, right? One variable. How about equation? What's an equation?
The entire sequence of numbers.
Yeah, it's that thing with an equal sign. Right? That means there's some stuff, and then there's an equal sign, and then there's some more stuff. Right? That's like math on one side, equal sign, math on the other. You guys all good with that? All right, and linear?
Yeah.
Yeah, really this should mean something about lines. But that's totally not obvious, so I'm just going to give you the dead giveaway, which is that there are plain variables. Okay, so what I mean by plain is that there are no powers or other weird decorations. So examples of other decorations are like, oh, here's an equation, right? It's in one variable because there's only one x, but it's not linear. Why is this not linear?
It has an exponent.
Yeah, because that x is in a power, right? It's decorated with this big ass e that maybe is something we would talk about later in math. Cool? Another kind of non-example, right? So that's not linear. Another thing like this would be sine of x is 1. You guys probably have no idea what this garbage is, right? Totally fine, but it's a decoration on the x, right? So whatever it's doing, it's not linear.
So no parentheses either?
Parentheses are okay as long as there aren't, right? As long as it wouldn't result in more than one power of x. So if I had like x equals 2, this is fine. If I had x times x plus 2 is 2, this is not fine. This one's linear, that one's not. Why is that not linear?
Plus 2.
Because if I distributed the x, I'd get a power. You guys see that? If I distributed this x through here, I'd get x squared plus 2x equals 2. Right? So there's a power on the x. That's kind of the no-go thing there. You guys cool with that? All right.